Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Leos. We'll be picking few cards as usual, guys, for our daily energy, for our career situation and love energy, Leos. So these are for our daily reading, guys. So these cards may relate to our career situation or personal life. And this is for our career situation and this is for our relationship. And I will also be picking up one card from the Wisdom Oracle deck. So that is a general guidance that we can follow, Leos, every day. So that will make our day a balanced and harmonious one if we follow and listen to that guidance. So let us see what are the cards for our daily reading, guys. First, it's King of Pentacles, Six of Swords in reverse, and the Temperance. So with these cards in our situation, Leos, this may relate to our career situation or our personal life situation. Maybe for some of you there is someone waiting to propose to you today, guys. There is someone interested in you and they love you, but they may be a secret admirer. They have not come forth with their proposal yet, but they are planning to do so very soon, and they are happy. They know you, they love you, and they want to come and meet you, guys. And maybe for some of you, not for some of you, for everyone, Leos, you are a very calculative person. You are very practical and you have deep knowledge in your situation, what you need to do and what is your next plan of action and what you can do to reach success. So you have that clear view and clarity and knowledge in your situation, and you are in a very good position today, guys. Financially and in your society, you may hold an important position, and in your work you may be a team leader, someone important. Otherwise, in your career, same way in your personal life too, you may be an important person who is making responsible decisions, guys. That is what I see. And in your situation today, there is this person who loves you and they want to come towards you with proposal, but they have not yet come. That is what I see, guys. And you have that balance and harmony in your situation, and your healing. Maybe for some of you, you are healing from your past, or maybe in your close circle, it may be your person or it may be someone in your family. They have some illness and they are healing from it. That is also what I see, guys. So you have that harmonious connection with this person, or it may relate in your work situation also, guys. Things are going well in your career situation also. So you have that power of unity and strength in your situation, guys. That is what I see with these cards, guys, for your daily reading, Leos. Let us see what is the card for your career situation. The Devil. So in your career situation, you may be you may be overindulging in something, maybe some activities. It may be in the form of habits or addictions, or you may be carrying lots of responsibilities. You do not take time to take a break and rest. So overindulgence in your activities, in your work, may be the reason of some stress, guys. So you are too responsible and you do things in a very difficult way. Maybe there may be an easy path to do things, but you do it in a very difficult way. So that may again stress you a lot. That may leave you with no time for relaxation, guys. So that is also what I see here. And maybe for some of you, you may have some addictions, but if it is something healthy, like following a healthy diet, or some exercise, something that is a positive behavior, you can go for it. But it is, if it is something negative, if it is like something like drinking or smoking, that may come in the way of your work, way of your ability, that greater potential in your work, that may affect your potential. So you need to go for moderation, guys. So that is also what I see with this card here, Leos. So what is the card for your personal life, guys? Your relationship, the moon in reverse. So with this card, this may be what your person feels about you, or what you feel about this person. This person may feel that you are doing something wrong, and they may feel that stress because of that, and they may feel that this connection is very it's not stable, and there are lots of mistakes that you both are doing, maybe, guys. Maybe this may be because of this addiction or weakness that you're having, or it may also be because of some illness, and they are silent, maybe, for some of you. Maybe some of you, this person would have proposed to you, but you are not ready to take up that proposal, and you are silent. And or it may be vice versa, guys, or you may propose, they are silent, or they may propose to you and you are silent. So you are not ready to accept this connection, maybe because of these addictions or the sickness, or something is stressing you in this connection. You don't want to move forward. So there are some obstacles, troubles in your connection, Leos. That is what I see here with these cards, guys. So let us see what is this wisdom oracle guidance card, guys. So this card may or may not relate to our situation, guys, but it is something that we can follow every day to make things go in a harmonious way in our life, guys. So that is what this card is about. So with this card, the energy for you guys in your situation today, this card stands for that confidence and determination, guys, being ready to accept that changes that are coming towards us. So this is what this card is about. So when you are confident about yourself, confident about your behavior, confident in your own place, your work and your personal life, you need not prove anything to anyone. So the same way in your relationship, when you have that confidence, you can give and receive love based on that truth, guys. If you love that person, you can have that deep connection with them, that harmonious connection. So that is what this card is about, guys. It's about that balance and harmony based on confidence that we have in our heart of hearts. And this card also denotes that things will move towards a greater positivity, guys. You may be seeing success in something new you are beginning. So if you want this new relationship, if you want this engagement, we saw that these cards with the previous cards, we saw that this person is coming to propose and you are not ready to accept. Maybe this oracle guidances, you can accept this connection, guys. Go forward with engagement and marriage if you are really in love with this person. The same way in our career situation, guys, if you have that confidence and determination in your heart of hearts, you can be sure that you will reach success in your career situation, guys. So that confidence is aligning with success. That's what this card is about. So if we have that conviction about the path we are taking up in life, we can be sure that we will reach success, prosperity, and true love in our life, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, Leos. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Leos.